Hi, today we're going to be talking about equine anatomy and physiology. Hi, today we're going to be talking about equine anatomy and physiology. So, right here is a picture with all the different parts of a horse. You may use this in order to fill out your graphic organizer. Now, first off, the equine body system is going to be consisted of a skeleton of 206 bones. The muscular system provides movement both internally and externally. The digestive system will convert feed into a form that can be used by the body for maintenance, growth, and reproduction. Sexual reproduction is the process of creating new organisms of the same species through the union of a male and female sex cells and sperm and egg. Now, first system that we're going to talk about today is the skeletal system. The skeletal system is a system of rigid framework that gives the body shape and will protect the internal organs. It is composed of bone and cartilage. Bones are composed of 1 part organic matter and 2 parts inorganic matter. The bones and joints together compose a complex systems of levers and pulleys, which when combined with muscular system give the body the power of motion. The muscular system is going to provide movement both internally and externally. The muscles are active organs of motion and are characterized by their property of contracting or changing shape when stimulated. Each muscle is supplied by one or more nerves that bring commands from the brain to make it contract. Next, we have the digestive system. This is going to convert feed into a form that can be used by the body for maintenance, growth, and reproduction. It consists of all the parts of an organism involved in taking food into the body and preparing it for assimilation and incorporation into the body. In its simplest form, the digestive system is a tube that extends from the mouth to the anus with the associated organs. Thanks for watching.